All right, let's practice again. We're gonna click File. I'm gonna close first this one. Yes, and then File New. Uh, Create a new part, and then leave the name. Check default template. Click OK. Let's draw on the top plane sketch, and let's draw line. So we're gonna start with a vertical line. I mean a horizontal line, and then go at an angle, and then go up, and then go at a horizontal and then another angle. Okay, again, I don't want that to be parallel, so make sure that when it automatically shows parallel, that you either cycle through, right click, right click, and then it won't automatically find that for you. Okay, right click, so no more. Okay, or simply change it at a different angle. Okay, and click select. This time, let's put the measurements on the line. You can click one line and middle click and then put in a measurement, let's say 140. And then you can also measure lines that are at an angle. So select the line at an angle and middle click again and then adjust the angle. Let's make that 100. Vertical line, same thing. Let's make that 85. And again, I want to put the measurements here and then let's put in 60. There you go. So you can put measurements and lengths of lines. Now you can also specify the angle. Okay, so to specify the angle, you can measurement and then pick two lines, one here, and then pick somewhere here, and it'll give you the angle of this one is 130. So let's make that 120. There you go, 120. Now you can put the angle here, or you can put the angle outside here, but you can't put both because you can only constrain the angle of two lines at one location. So you can't put the angle here. So we have to delete that 120 here. Then you can right click and click the X. Nope, that's wrong. Hold down, select and hold, right click, long right click, the select tool, select, right click, and then delete. You can do that, but it's much faster to simply select and then press delete in your keyboard. So that's 120 over here. And then according to geometry, supplementary angles of straight lines will be equal to 180. So this is 120 over here, then the angle over here should be 60 about this horizontal line. So step with measurement, select this line and that line, but this time I want to put the angle here outside. So make sure that you point here and then middle click. And then you're going to see that it's 60, press enter. All right. So wherever you middle click is where the angle will be placed. So if you want this big angle here, you can do that by selecting this line and that line and then middle click somewhere here. And it'll show you the whole angle. 237, let's make 240, press enter. There you go. Okay. This one's supposed to be 90, but so you can put the angle here. It'll show you that it's 90, but it's already constrained because horizontal and vertical will always give you 90, and you it's already constrained. So it's saying, hey, you already have constrained this. So yeah, um, you can't constrain it furthermore. So we can just simply delete and then not constrain it. This angle over here is not defined yet, so let's define that too. So this angle or this line and this line, and then middle click somewhere here, and then the angle is 150. Okay, so again, it will show you that hey, you can't put 150, or we can't define the angle of two lines there because if this is a vertical line and you already have been put in here 60, then you cannot put another angle here because the 60 defines this at a particular angle in relation to this vertical and horizontal line. So that's why it's showing you can't do it again. So the best thing you can do is just delete it and accept that it's already fully constrained, and then all you have to do is close this object. So we can just close this sketch, okay, and then it'll automatically align. Close that and click here, and then middle click or click the select tool and it should turn pink. Okay, and but yeah, that's how to measure lines at at a certain angle, or measure or put the angle of two lines. All right.